Hi there, I'm Murtaza from Artist Studio and I'm back with another very interesting Blender course for absolute beginners. Blender is a fantastic platform which enables you to make low poly models which can be exported to any game engine, 3D printer or other softwares. This is a complete training dedicated to learn the Blender, which is a free 3D software and open source. This complete training will allow beginners to discover the software entirely. This training is divided into 8 chapters that will allow you to progressively and consistently learn. During the training, we will produce in parallel a complete project to create 3 different buildings from modeling to rendering. This project will allow you to apply the Blender 3.0 functions learned in this course. The source files are included in the training and allow you to understand the progress of a project. This course has everything you need to get a strong start with Blender and 3D. So I hope to see you in there.